A Mr. Ben's Original. Dogs, they're our best friends. But when they need care, we need to be their best friends too. Especially when their ears are irritated, get dirty and smelly, or worse, they suffer an ear infection, which can be caused by hidden dirt, bacteria, mites, fungus, and yeast, all of which can lead to chronic ear problems. Well, there's one way to keep your dog happy and its ears squeaky clean, itch-free, while treating and eliminating infections. Mr. Ben's Original Ear Care Products with Aloe for Dogs. Mr. Ben soothes, disinfects, and provides fast relief within only a few treatments. Our trusted and tested proprietary blend contains 6 active ingredients that protect ears from the root cause of ear problems, including 100% cold-pressed organic aloe, which soothes irritated ears. The ear wash cleans the ears by flushing out dirt, bacteria, and parasites, while the tonic treats and protects the ears from irritations, odors, and infections. While each product can be used on their own, Mr. Ben strongly recommends using both in a combined approach. Using the wash and tonic are easy. Simply follow the provided instructions, using the wash in the morning and the tonic in the evening. When your dog's finally feeling better, you've proved you're a best friend.